Let's turn this into this. So I asked myself, what if we turned it into a video? We could show the extractor moving up and down inside the pipette tube to show how it really works. So I proceeded to animate the motion, using Adobe Photoshop to extend the gold part inside the transparent tube. I used Photoshop's timeline to create each step frame by frame until a nice fluid motion was achieved. Then I dropped it on a green screen so I can composite it later in the video. For the two main devices, I created a nice dark, moody background, and with that, it was time to bring it all together in Adobe After Effects. To bring emphasis to the pipette, I gave the scene a parallax effect. Once completed, the sequence was added to the end of a larger teaser video as a product reveal. And that is that. Here's the final product.